show you like how to find out the builder and taking the 158 ETH payment from the MEV vault we talked about. And we also like showed what's the best way to find out the reverse process. Uh, and in other video, we actually checked out like how to find out the top 10 like arbitrages that has been done by the MEV vaults who's been backrunning Vyper related hacking. And in this video, we're gonna show you like how many EOA wallets actually using the arbitrage vault to benefit from the Vyper exploit. Okay, so this is a transaction we showed you before. That's the transaction has been paying 158 ETH to the builder. Now we'll see like how many EOA address actually has been benefit from this vault. So starting from this transaction, we can see that there is a from address here. The from address is actually the EOA address of the searcher, and we can just like click from here from this eigentx. Let's view the eigentx affiliation transaction features to filter out all the EOA addresses has been using this bot. And now we see the token flow chart as we have already explained before. So transactions for block is showing all the transactions in this block that has been containing this background arbitrage, and all the transactions involving two the transactions including MEVs and all kinds of other transactions has been using this bot. Okay, now we can see a lot of arbitrage has been done by this bot here. All right, and you can see that there are definitely many different like EOA address here has been using this bot. Like for example, this one is 0xCF2, and here this one is 0xEDC, and the next one is 0x3AB. So like we need to figure out like how many EOA address here in this column. So we can just click more. They're gonna show more arbitrage has been using this bot. We can just continue clear more to wait a little bit for the data to load, and just click more. Scroll down and click more. Okay, just give it a little bit time. Okay, now we can see that there are no more data here. So we don't need to actually count them like one by one. The easier way is like you can just copy and paste all this data to Google Sheet. Like I can show you. Like okay, you can just drag all these rows of data here, and just give me a second. So you can copy, then you can new a sheet. Okay, and you can just paste. All right, now we got all the data here. And so this row is a builder's payment. This row is the gas fee, and this is the boat address. And so this row is actually the EOA address. So you can just click this one, and you can use some of the feature provided by Google Sheet. Okay, let me show you how to do it. So now we are in a full screen mode. The menu has been hidden, but we can click this one to show the menu, and we can just use this tool. Just insert. First, you need to select all the column of this EOA addresses. So you can click this insert chart here. It will show you like there are 8 EOA address here in total that has been using this bot, and it generated a bar chart here. And also you can see that so this one 03AB actually has been uses both the most, right? And we can also like show the number, right? So just use the menu here, series, and scroll down to show the data labels. Then we can see that so this address 03AB actually started like 90 MEV arbitrages in the total of 187 arbitrages has been using this bot. So yeah, it's not that like intuitive to show how many EOA address has been using this contract, but combining EigenTX, EigenFi, and Google Sheet is much easier to analyze all these uh, opportunities has been created because of the exploit on curve. All right, that's it. Thank you so much.